Hello guys, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to resolve the connection error on GCASH. So first of all, you want to open your browser and go to the gcash.com website. Here you want to tap on the three lines at the right corner, go to Help Center, and here you can see the chat option in the corner of your screen. You press on the chat option and it opens a live chat with the customer support of GCASH. So if you have any type of errors on account holds, or you lost your password, or the problem we are talking right now about is like the connection error, you can just tell them the problem you have, and yeah, they will get back to you. I hope this helped you out, guys. Please let me know if you have any further questions about GCash down below in the comments. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.